Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will address a common issue where the screen of your Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 goes black. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty screen, damaged cables, or issues with the graphics card. If not repaired promptly, it can lead to further damage or make your device completely unusable. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen for the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. First, let's begin by safely opening the device. Start by turning off the laptop and unplugging it. Then, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be cautious with the screws, as they can be of different lengths. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, ensuring not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, we need to locate the faulty component. The screen is typically connected to the motherboard via a cable that may be damaged or disconnected. Carefully trace the cables from the screen to the motherboard. If you find any signs of damage or disconnection, this is likely the source of your issue. To extract the screen, carefully disconnect the cable from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector with tweezers. Take your time, as applying too much force can damage nearby components. Once disconnected, you can remove the screen by unscrewing it from the hinges. Make sure to note the type of screws used and the force needed to remove them. After the old screen has been removed, take your replacement screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly secured and all screws are replaced. Now, power on your device to verify that the new screen is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider using a screen protector to safeguard against pressure and impacts. Additionally, ensure your device is kept in a safe environment where it won't be exposed to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.